Hello, and welcome to this special edition of our podcast where we celebrate the oneness of humanity and the power of community. Today, we will be discussing the importance of coming together regardless of our religions, beliefs, and sending love and light energy to all those who are dealing with serious disasters, both in Turkey and around the world. Now, as you know, I am Sheila Mack, the author of Bootstraps and Bra Straps, the formula to go from rock bottom back into action in any situation. And it is crucial that we support each other in times of crisis. No matter where we come from or what we believe, we are all human beings who deserve love and compassion. In these challenging and interesting times, it's essential that we come together as a community to heal and bring peace to our world. One of the beautiful things about the celebration of all religions is that it highlights the common ground that we all share as a humanity. Regardless of our differences, we all have a deep desire for love, peace, and happiness. When we come together, we can harness this energy and use it to create a better world for ourselves and our future generations. We know that the situation in Turkey and around the world right now can be devastating, and it's important that we send love and light to those who are affected, whether it's through our thoughts, our words, our actions, a walk in nature, a meditation. All these things can make a difference. By coming together as a community, we can help to bring healing and hope to those in need. So let us remember that we all are connected, and that our actions can have a profound impact on those around us. By sending love and light to those in need, we can help to bring peace to the world and show that we are all united in our humanity. And thank you for tuning in again to this show. And now it is on for the introduction of our very special guest and well-known author.